Thank you for joining this installment of the Mimaki video series. This video features the all-new UJF-7151 printer with metallic silver ink. You will print stunning images with a wide range of metallic colors on a variety of substrates. Perfect for printing a variety of substrates such as plastic, metal, wood, glass, and leather. You can even print tumblers, mugs, pens, books, and more. With print thickness up to 6 inches, the list is long of the items that can be produced. So let's take a closer look at all the UJF-7151 has to offer. 20-inch by 28-inch vacuum flatbed, up to 6-inch material thickness. Energy efficient LED UV curing system. Convenient 1-liter ink bottles for continuous operation. Optional kebab cylindrical attachment for easy printing on tumblers, sports bottles, shot glasses, pens, and much more. Brand new silver metallic ink for added depth and color range. Included color palette makes printing with metallic ink as easy as choosing any spot color. The printer and ink do the rest. Ink circulation on all channels prevents settling. MFD1 patented dithering technique and Rasterlink 6 Plus software enhances image quality. All these great features make the Mimaki UJF-7151 a workhorse and the perfect printer for a unique microfactory. Silver metallic ink is available with our LH100 ink set only. If you don't need silver metallic ink, there are 2 additional ink sets available: the LUS-120 inks and the LUS-350 inks. Choose between the 3 ink sets to ensure you get the right ink for you with the following options: LH100 for high scratch resistance and chemical resistance, LUS-120 for flexibility and scratch resistance, LUS-350 series with up to 350% elongation, perfect for thermal forming applications. Let's not forget PR-2 primer when extra adhesion is needed. Waveform control utilizes finely tuned frequencies for the ink's specific gravity and viscosity to precisely shape and place individual drops. The nozzle check unit automatically monitors the performance of the printhead and detects clogged nozzles. Mimaki Advanced Pass System incorporates an advanced algorithm to reduce visible banding and uneven color printing with blurred boundaries, similar to gradation printing. Mimaki circulation technology continuously circulates ink at regular intervals to prevent settling and achieve a stable ink delivery. The Mimaki bulk ink system allows customers to quickly change the ink capacity of a Mimaki printer at any time. If you're looking to step up your game and get a leg up on your competition, look no further. The UJF-7151 Plus Metallic is the machine for you. Convenient financing plans available. Ask your dealer for more information. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms, and thank you for joining us.